Gao mochungne wechego mag riwruoge mag saga pacho kae Wickliff Oparanya loso e romo ma entiere okinyi ma kawuono e gwengego mago mag kadhowadh nam chumbi. We wawinjane monde.
Across our region, cooperative in general and circles in particular are increasingly recognized as vital engines for financial inclusion, MSME development, employment creation, and economic resilience. However, with this growing relevance comes heightened responsibility and the urgent need for reform. Recent Committee of Experts report on the corporate sector in Kenya here have provided a candid and sobering assessment of where we stand and where we must go. These reports call for a decisive shift towards stronger governance, professionalism, leadership accountability, and institutional discipline. The experts in their findings stated as follows: the sustainability of the cooperative movement depends on moving from personality-driven institutions to system-driven, professionally managed, and well-governed cooperatives. They highlight the need for strengthening both competency and accountability, enforce fit and proper standards for circle leadership, clearly separate governance, management, and oversight roles, enhance risk management, transparency, and internal controls, protect member savings through prudent financial stewardship. These recommendations are not an indictment of the cooperative model. Rather, they are a roadmap for renewal, resilience, and relevancy in an increasingly complex and competitive financial environment. Distinguished delegates, professionalism in the running of circles must now become our non-negotiable standard. Cooperative institutions must be managed with the same rigor, ethics, and prudence expected of modern financial institutions, like remaining faithful to cooperative values and members' ownership. The protection of member savings is not merely a regulatory requirement, it is a moral obligation. Public trust is the currency upon which cooperative movement thrives. When trust is safeguarded, cooperatives flourish. When trust is compromised, the entire movement is placed at risk. As government, we are fully committed to implementing the recommendation of the Committee of Experts through legislative, regulatory, and institutional reforms that strengthen governance, protect members, and restore confidence. However, legislation alone will not deliver reform.
Nyakwara Mugejuanga mano jatin migao mochungne riwruoge mag saga e pacho kae mano Wickliff Oparanya koloso achiel kachiel ka entiere e romo mano mar riwruoge mag saga e boma ma Mombasa mano kadhowadh nam chumbi. Nyakwara Mugejuanga gi e thuolo ni bende podi adwane wadhi achiel kachiel buore Nairobi kae mar mondo mi wawinjane kaka komanda